Hallo Leute, wie geht es Ihnen? Our today's topic is diphthongs in German language. Diphthongs are the sound which has been produced by using two vowels together. As you know, A, E, I, O, U are our vowels. If we use any two vowels together, it will create a different sound, and this sound is called diphthong. Our first diphthong is the combination of alphabet E and U. It will create sound oi, like oi sound in English word oyster. And this combination is used in German word Deutsch. That's why we do not pronounce it Deutsch. We pronounce it Deutsch, which means German. And our second diphthong is as similar as first one. Sorry, the sound of second diphthong is as similar as first diphthong, but it is a combination of a umlaut with u. It would also create the sound oi, like oyster in English. And the example of this diphthong is German word Häuser, which means houses in German language. And our third diphthong is EI or AI. Third combination is EI and AI. It will create sound I, like English word I. And a German word with this combination is eins. And the German word with A and I is Kaiser. And our fourth diphthong is the combination of alphabet I and E, which will create the sound E, like E sound in the starting of English. And the German word which use this diphthong is Z, which means you in German language. Our last diphthong is the combination of letter A and U. It will create sound ow, like ow sound in English word out. And our example of this word in German language is house, which means house in English. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood this topic successfully. Okay, bye.